1933 Plymouth 5-window coupe street rod in beautiful black. Underneath that vented steel hood is a 392 V8 with 345 horsepower. We'll take a better look at that in just a bit when we start it up as well. That motor actually came out of a 58 Chrysler New Yorker. Boyd Coddington polished rims. Those Mickey Thompsons. By the way, these front tires from 2023. The rears from 2005, both in good shape, as well as those rims. Very nice. Again, if you don't have all the questions that you have answered in this video, feel free to give one of our sales associates a call at 507-386-1726. We'd be happy to talk with you, answer any questions you might have. Love these polished DeSoto headlights. Boy, the chrome and bright work on this is fantastic. The grill here, that hood ornament. Disc brakes all the way around. Custom built frame, by the way. It's been powder coated. Speedway Engineering, Supermax quick change rear axle, Super Bell front axle. Hillborn fuel injection. Again, we'll give you a little better look under the hood in just a minute here. Car really shows nice. Again, you can find us online, this vehicle and a host of others at uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, that number to call with any questions, 507-386-1726. Quick look inside the trunk. Man, clean again, very nice. See, the battery placement is right back here in the trunk, and it does come with an on-off switch. Nice. Let's take a quick look inside here. Suicide doors. Black leather with red cloth. That is continued on the door panels as well. Look over here at the driver's side. Power windows. Look from the inside. Instrument gauge is right there. Nice, set in with that chrome like that. There's your aftermarket Alpine stereo system that's operational, by the way. And if you're wondering about opening the trunk, right down here, up underneath, if you reach back up in there, you'll have a lever on the kick panel. You can see the speakers. The stereo system, as loud as this vehicle is, sounds fantastic. So, what do you say we open up this hood? Start her up. Inside we go. Get the key. So there you have it. 33 Plymouth Street Rod. Again, any questions? 507-386-1726. Visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Make sure you like and subscribe. And we'll give you notifications when we bring new vehicles in. And we do that on a regular basis. Stick around, because after this video, Jason's going to take this car out for a drive, and he's going to bring you along for the ride. Give you a little better feel, visually anyways, of what it's like to be behind the wheel of this vehicle. And it is fantastic. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com, 507-386-1726. And Jason's going to take it out for a ride.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube, where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1933 Plymouth 5-window coupe. Bit of a street rod, this one. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me, because it sounds great. Well done, inside and outside, black and red, finished bucket seats. You've got an automatic shifter on the floor that you can just put in gear, or you can bump it if you're going to drag race. It's going to be quick at it. Stereo working well. Gauges from SW, very nice, looking good in the dash. Matching the motif of black with red. Very easy to drive. For such a wild looking car, it drives easily. Banjo style steering wheel, looking great. Those side pipes. I am 6'1" and I have plenty of room in this car. For the traffic circle, I'm going to bring it down a gear just so you can hear the difference. Our fuel gauge reads 1/4 of a tank. The water temperature 160. Let's go down to first. The oil pressure is also 60. Very nice throttle response, easy to steer. We're in first right now. I'm gonna bump it up to second. You feel like you have unlimited throttle because it's so light for the amount of power that's under the hood, yet it is easy to drive. Find all the pictures of this 33 Plymouth Street Rod at uniqueclassiccars.com.